In the sublimation industry, true leadership isn't just about speed. It's about color expression and brand professionalism. Sublistar launches the 8-head high-speed sublimation printer with an advanced 8-color fluorescent solution. CMYK plus Fluorescent Magenta, Fluorescent Yellow, Turquoise Blue and Brilliant Red. More brilliant colors, more stable performance. Bringing professionals a next-level printing experience. 8-color independent channels ensure accurate color reproduction and smooth gradients. FM and FY enhance highlights with striking brightness. Turquoise and red add saturation and depth. Backed by Sublistar's proprietary color management, balancing high speed with high quality. Optimized transfer ensures full sublimation with vibrant, durable colors. Fluorescent colors remain eye-catching post-transfer, glowing under UV or stage lighting. Perfect match for various fabrics, ensuring consistent, stable output. Ideal for sportswear, trendy t-shirts, swimwear, cycling kits and more. Turquoise and red expand the color gamut, adding standout appeal with fluorescent hues. Vivid colors and premium quality empower clients to build high-value product lines. Sublistar is committed to smarter, faster and more competitive sublimation solutions. Choose Sublistar not just for beautiful prints, but for market-winning results.